Well, good day, Chevy collectors and cartoonish car collectors and Hot Wheel collectors. All of you guys might combine to want to buy one of these. It's called the Hardnoze Chevy Monte Carlo from 1974, and it's 2004 first edition. It is obviously very, very cartooned, where the nose is huge and the tail is really tiny. So let's take a look at this guy. A few cartoonish Monte Carlos. That's probably the closest one. And here we have an actual lowrider, because this paint scheme is looking very lowrider-ish. This thing is really something else. Yeah, this is crazy looking. I gotta say though, the printing on it's fantastic. It's orange and black and gold, and it's well done. Very cool. So the massive, huge, mega-sized Hot Wheels, and then the opposite are the tiny ones. So they're both 5-spokes. It's just that these 5-spokes are really fat, where these are very thin. But yeah, that's where it's at. Look at this. Just, it's crazy. So it's got chrome headlights, which is nice. Maybe the interior is chrome or something, or maybe the base. I'm not sure if this. Yeah, I guess this could be molded with the base, the headlights, and they hook the casting around it, maybe. Anyways, nice details here in the bumper. Recesses here, 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 and the grill is all recessed in the right spots. This side here, yeah, okay. One could mistake this just from the side view that this would be the front instead of that, right? Yeah, printing on this side is just as good. And then in the back, the tiny back, we have some molded taillights, no paint though, and then the bumper is part of the base. And then we have orange windows here. So nice grooves here for the hood vents. And then again, this printing is really cool. I like it a lot. It's like definitely a lowrider effect. And then this paint's pretty nice too. It's a metallic gold or yellow, I guess. It's like almost like a translucent yellow to me. It's not a solid yellow, because it looks like we're looking at the casting through this. Maybe it's like a yellow clear coat and we're looking at the casting through it. I'm not sure. Please leave a comment if you think you know, because I sure don't. Super shiny base, of course. Nice that it tells you what it's a 74. Some undercarriage details. And then, yeah, tiny rear tires, giant front ones. Yeah, it definitely rolls like a Hot Wheels. It's just so weird looking. Anyways, I like these. I'm gonna probably do a 3D wheel project, so let's see what happens. Alright, we're back with some wire wheels. I painted gold. Thought that was the most fitting because it looks like a lowrider for sure. I had to make the wheel and the tire separate, but also the center cap, and there's a hole going through the entire wheel. And so basically to mount this, I put the wheel in, the tire into the casting, then I pushed the wheel and the axle in at the same time into the tire. And so I don't actually have to drill the thing apart in order to do this. Right? Once the axle is centered in these two wheels, then I can glue on the little center cap there. So yeah, it works, and technically it would roll, but I think I'm scraping something inside. Yeah, this axle for some reason. No, there it goes. Alright, well anyways, I added some black into the grill there, and then a little red for the taillights. That's about it. I didn't think I did anything else. It's just covered in graphics already, so that's what's so cool about it. But it is just such a crazy deformation. So I'm not even going to compare it to Chorokyu's. I have absolutely nothing remotely close to it. But I do have some Hot Wheels to look at. So here's a more recent Monte Carlo, like an 80s version. It says 86. And I have some 3D printed wheels on this guy. Now here's one of those premium ones. This is a Buick Riviera. Nice angular looking vehicle. I didn't even modify this at all. It's pretty cool as it is. And then here's an old 59 Impala. Definitely a lowrider look to it. And I got some funky, I think those are BRX wheels, if I recall. You'd have to watch a video of this one to figure that out. 59, yeah. So I think I'll put that next to this. So this Hardnoze is overall in length quite similar to regular Hot Wheels. It just, the nose is just crazy big. Got a big schnoz. But it's cool. I like it. I really like it a lot. The front wheels are just so huge. It's insane. Okay. So it actually, in a way, it looks very much like this image here in Lowrider magazine, where it's raised up. It's just that there's a wheel filling in the front instead of the tiny wheel on this real car. Right? So it looks like it's hopping already. And this is a little Bandai C3PO. I thought he was the most fitting cartoon character to put next to this. Hopefully, if you guys like this video, you'll stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next 3D printed wheel project. Cheers.